Opal is one of the most unique and beautiful gemstones in the world, famous for its glowing colors known as play of color. But how can you search for opal in nature, and what are the real signs that indicate its presence? The first step is location. Opal forms in areas where ancient water once flowed, especially in regions with old sedimentary rocks. This is why opal is commonly found in dry desert zones that were once underwater millions of years ago. Scientific studies show that opal forms when silica-rich water fills cracks in rocks and slowly hardens over time. One of the strongest signs of opal is host rock. Opal is often found inside sandstone, claystone, or ironstone, not in hard volcanic rock. If you see white, milky, or slightly translucent material filling cracks or layers in soft rock, this can be a good indicator. Another important sign is surface appearance. Natural opal may look dull or ordinary from the outside. However, when the stone is wet or exposed to sunlight, you may notice flashes of green, blue, red, or orange light. This internal color play is a key feature that separates opal from common stones. Opal-rich areas often show silica deposits nearby. Look for white or light-colored silica veins, chalky textures, or weathered rocks that crumble easily. These geological conditions are commonly associated with opal formation. Water plays a major role. Opal contains a small percentage of water trapped inside its structure. Because of this, opal is often found in regions that experienced repeated wet and dry cycles over millions of years. It is also important to know what opal is not. Opal is lighter than many gemstones, does not attract a magnet, and does not scratch glass easily like quartz. Real identification should never rely on one test alone. For confirmation, professionals use laboratory analysis, including microscopy and spectroscopy, to identify opal's internal structure and silica composition. In conclusion, finding opal in nature requires patience, geological knowledge, and careful observation. Opal is not just a gem